Now, you've heard start a business, learn a skill, learn tech, or even sell wigs again and again and again. But what if I told you that there are side hustles here in Nigeria that no one is really talking about yet? I'm talking about profitable, low cost, or sometimes you can start these side hustles for free. You don't need a laptop, you don't need connection. All you need is your phone, your brain, and maybe your legs to start. Now let's dive in before every other person catches up. If you're tired of the usual advice you get from people, hit the like and subscribe button because here I bring you YouTube growth tips, financial tips, and the realest side hustle gist you can't find anywhere else. So hit that like and subscribe. First side hustle on my list is local errand runner. I know, it shocked you, Abby. It shocked me too. But it's a very profitable side hustle. Okay, if you're the type that is always at home and you like to go out, or because of there's no job, you just don't have where to go to, this is a perfect side hustle for you. There are people in cities like Port Harcourt, Abuja, Lagos, big cities, even in that city where you are. For people living in big cities, to be honest with you, they need help. They need help with picking laundries, standing in queues, getting fuel, even buying food, groceries, or standing in queues. People are looking for who will do these things for them. So you may ask, okay, if I want to do this, how do I start? Facebook groups, church groups, WhatsApp groups. Okay, you can start from there. Advertise yourself. This is what I do. I can help you run errands. I can help you get groceries. And by doing this, you can charge per hour or even monthly, depending on how you want to be paid. Please, this is not beneath. You're not going to do chores for anybody. You're just helping them run errands. You can be in your house and someone calls you, can you pick up laundries for me? And you move and you pick up laundries and you get paid and that's it. I know it sounds crazy, but this is a side hustle people are doing and making small, small money by the side. And if it's something you would like to do, please carry your market on your head. We move. Now, the second one on my list is WhatsApp sales assistants. Yes. You see those vendors with plenty messages on WhatsApp? They need help. Yes, they need people to help them reply messages. And this one, you don't necessarily need to be present. But what you basically do, being a WhatsApp sales assistant, is that you help these vendors to reply simple text messages on WhatsApp, take orders. If you can type well and respond well to messages, this is a good side hustle that you can try. Okay, you basically help vendors, business owners, small business owners, even large scale business owners to reply WhatsApp messages, to take orders on WhatsApp. Very easy, and you get paid for doing just that. Some pay 20 to 50K monthly, depending on how big the business is, all right, or depending on how big that brand you're working for is. Sweet money. You can start pitching for this kind of business by just posting on your WhatsApp status or on your Instagram or anywhere you feel like you have people who you have those vendors who may be needing help. You can just make posts like, I'm available to help busy vendors, respond to chats, and take orders. Just be professional about it and you're in. Just like that. Let's look at hustle 3. Voice note marketing. Yes, you see that beautiful voice of yours that you're hiding inside your house. You can use it to make money. How do you do this? This particular hustle is for those shy people that don't like to show their faces. You know, you can actually use your voice. If you have a beautiful voice, you can use your voice to sell your market. Make money from this sweet voice you have. You can do this by taking short voice notes, reviewing products and services. You see a product review, you're hearing somebody's voice talking about this product, but you're actually not seeing the person's face. This is exactly what I mean by voice note marketers. Okay, you don't have to show your face. Your voice is enough. They send you what they want you to review, and you review just with your voice showing these products. You know, you just know how to coin things, say sweet things about that product, and you're in. That's basically what voice note marketers do. You sell your voice to get paid, not for rituals. Get paid for having a beautiful voice, basically. Let's look at hustle 4, local content writing. No, I'm not talking about writing blogs for Igbo clients. No, this is a different kind of writing. I'm talking about writing captions for small business owners, mostly for vendors that don't know how to write catchy stuff. Just help them sell their products beautifully by writing small captions. If writing captions for business owners is something you like to do, you can start with writing just a caption for 1K, 5 captions for 5K, and that's it. And you will grow from there. You see, people will start recommending you. Use Canva or Google Docs to send clean works. And if you don't know how to write yet, go on YouTube and learn in 1 week, period. See, Nigeria is hard already, we all know, but opportunity is still there. You just need to look where others are not looking. Start small, be serious, be consistent. These side hustles may look small, But that small 15, 20, 30K will add up, and soon you'll be making 200K, 300K, 600K, 1 million without stress. Start small. But please, when the money starts rolling in, don't start buying shawarma on daily basis. Save, reinvest, and come back here and say faith to be real plug. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your broke besties, because we rise by lifting others.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.